Hello guys, in today's video I'll walk you through step-by-step process of exporting your phone contacts synchronized from your phone onto your Gmail account. So to export your phone contact, first you need to open a Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. Let's start by clicking Chrome browser. Then in the address bar you type gmail.com to have access to your Gmail web portal. After inputting, log in with your email and password. This is my Gmail portal. So to have access to my phone contact, on my right corner, the top, click on Google Apps. Then in the drop box, click on Contacts to have access to your contact portal. So this is my contact portal, my Gmail account. Here we will find all the contacts that I have saved through my phone and synchronize onto my Google Contacts web portal. Here you can also create an additional contact by typing the username and phone number of your contact. Save it. And you can also export the contact. You can import contact onto your Gmail contact portal, and you can also export. You can also print out your phone number. And we are coming to export the phone contact from our Gmail contact web portal. So to start, you click on export. So when a pop-up comes, you choose the file type that you want to export. Here we have 3 types of file that you can choose. You can choose Google CSV file, and also you can choose Outlook CSV file, and last you can also choose WinCard or an iOS contact form. By choosing the file type, you click on export to export the contact onto your laptop. So after exporting, you can open it. Here is the phone contact. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, under the description below, click on link to the post to find more information on how you can export your phone contact from your Gmail account. And again, subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive an update anytime we upload new video. Thank you.